me out of the car.
Let you out?
Yeah.
You're stuck in there?
Yeah, I have no door handle.
Nope.
So I want to get out of my car.
Here you go.
Exactly. That's how I have to get out of my car. So today we're going to actually fix that problem. Quack. There goes plan A. So first things first, let's remove these beautiful OEM Plus screws. That I guess that one's not doing much of anything. So here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Did you drill through the switch? That's not good. Oh, okie dokie. Well, you're trying to make something work by yourself, that's usually what you get. So let's see. I'll try to keep it together where the switch is not happy. Alright. OEM Plus. Plus. Yeah, so we'll have to figure out. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. But good stuff. OEM Plus. No, I have not done one of these in a very long time, so bear with me. But the same principle applies. We're going to look for what we can you know, the obvious stuff and try to get her figured out. There's one in there. Haha. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be there or not. And someone's already done half the job for us. Right across the bottom, guys, and always look, try to feel. Oof. So, like we always talk about, we have pressure here still, so that comes out. Yeah. Oh shoot. Okay. Yeah, that's all right. Talking about squeaks and rattles. Man, I miss the days when they were that easy to get off. And they pretty much just fall off by themselves. Here, get a good old look at that nastiness. Well, someone's definitely been inside of here. If you get this black stuff on you, you're not getting it off. This is almost as bad as Loctite, so we're going to try to avoid that. But this is what we're after today. We're going to we'll be going to replace it. Hopefully I got the right stuff. Also, I want to see what in the world is going on with that window regulator making that terrible noise. Also, I don't know if you can tell or not, but right here where the weather stripping for the window, the runner is all bent to, it's bad out of shape, you know, like a Monday morning. What do we do first? I'll tell you, if you get this black on you, it's gonna be, it sucks. Yeah. Oh, it slides. So this tub, and it slides out. There you go. And the same old principles with the cables. You can see, it don't really matter if the cable came off because there is no locky lever. No bueno. Let me go find the replacement. Quack, quack. Alright, so what we got here is some good old Amazon specials. So I got two, the left and right front interior door handles for like 15 bucks. Yeah, I'm sure they'll break again, but still better than paying OEM prices. So I think this is the correct one. Yeah, sure. Why not? Open sesame. Oh, look at that. That's fancy. That's even got the protective for that chrome, right? Riding on chrome. Check this out. Let's go ahead and switch this sucker out. And when I do these, always remember white on the top. Get the lever, get the cable out. Let's do the green one first, because that one will give me some more wiggle room to get this cable. So the old school is actually done with this hooky. Just remember, the white one goes on top, and honestly, you won't be able to, kind of get them backwards at all because of the fact of the way that it's in there for your lock. I'm trying to get you to see this. Don't look at my face, but yes. Out with the old, and in with the new. Let's see how long this one lasts. Get the hooky in there first. Go on up. Whoa now. Let's get our little, God, 20 years of funk. Excuse me. Honk, honk, honk. I don't know who he's honking at. We're in the middle of nowhere. Alright, so we're going to test it. We have them in place. White on top, green. We go listen for it. Pop. Good to go. Same thing here. You gotta be dramatic with it. Double up. So we got it lined up here. We're going to slide her into place. Work with me, girl. Work with me, girl. Oh, that sounds terrible. Old girl needs some lubrication. That's what she said. Or is that what he said? I'm not really sure. So, check our door lock operation. Okay. Damn, that sounds terrible. It sounds like grandma's house. I remember that song? This spring is drier than the desert. May not be too vulgar for you guys. Do you work? It does. No, I can't deal with that. We're gonna have to address that noise. Now, if I had some silicone spray, that's probably what I would use. I don't know, the white lithium grease. It's not the same as it used to be. Nowadays it gets all caked up and turns into like white lithium stick. So we'll just use the tried and true WD. Not a sponsor. Let's see if this actually will quiet this thing down some. Okay, see? No more inky. Panel. Well, this is cushion for the pushing. It's supposed to be glued to right y'all, but you know, it said mercy and it gave up. So we'll see what we can do about that. First things first is I'm gonna actually slip her over and the heel into my window jamb, hopefully. Alright, so while we're here, let's do this. Whenever I'm putting door panels back on, I usually just take I want the window down in the down position, I guess. That way you can fully make sure this is actually all the way seated over the lip of the door, just like that. If that thing is not seated on there like that, you're going to have one teed off customer. And you can always tell because it stays in place when you give it the old flippy. Right? Here. Let's try to sneak this cushion back up in here. Yo! Come say hello to the fans, Burr. So come say hello to none of my fans. All 5 of them. Struggle bus. Make sure your wire's pulled out. Snap, crackle, pop. Where the fun don't stop. Huh? Just making shitty jokes to myself. He doesn't think I'm funny. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Make you want to slap your mama. I know I'm pretty. That's definitely not the fucking right screw. I'm not going to use that. That's not long enough to be there. That's wrong. I ain't wasting my time on that. So we're going to find a better screw. And then I'll come back to you guys. So also I gotta say what's up to my homeboy. Later. Do I care enough about that? No, I don't. It's gonna get replaced. They're not very expensive. But let's go over and do a final check it. Nice here. You still on? You recording? Alright. Wait for the car to pass. Game on. Alright. Do we have the noise? Noise is fixed. And let's test for the whole reason why we are her in the first place. You can't lock me out. You're trying to lock me up. Ha ha ha. Oh, cool. There's nothing more fun than having a roll your window down, stick your hand out the car and listen to a loud ass noise of the window, and then open your own door handle from the outside. There you go, guys. Another door fixed. No more embarrassing days at the gas pump having to reach around and, you know, give it a old tugga. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to keep on working on some of the Matrix vehicles, or we're going to keep working on the Matrix and make some more videos for that. There's more stuff to come, other topics and some cool things. So there, appreciate it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to learn more about interior door panels, then there'll be a video here or there somewhere, maybe. Hell, I don't know how to do any of that shit, but we'll figure it out. So quack, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.